I went to French games. My name is Alex. Oh my god. And shut up, you guys. And that is somebody I know. And that over there is Zoe. Yeah. That's so funny. So, anyway, this is like my first YouTube video, and I'm listening to Blood on the Dance.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. This is crazy. Dude, what are we doing?
Isn't a shed a chicken?
Oh yeah, I have acne, so what? Oh yeah. Oh my god. Zoe wants to say something.
What do I want to say?
I have no idea what you want to say. Oh my god.
Don't attack me.
Yeah, that's it.
No.
Weird.
Yeah, no, Zoe's beautiful. She's beautiful. Like, oh my god.
What's this?
There's a blonde streak somewhere in my hair. I don't know where it went.
It's hiding.
Yes, it is hiding in the bush. Oh, jeez.
Excellent.
Anyway,
I guess the second.
snake bites. Oh
His
yeah.
name's Blur.
I did it myself.
His name's
And I love them. They're awesome.
What does
awesome snake bites.
Alex, what does Blurk mean?
Blurk.
That's the dog.
So much fun.
It's the dog's name on the doghouse. It says Blurk.
Dude, that is awesome. Blurk. Oh my god.
I'm gonna name my dog.
I'm in
Blurk
French
by-
class, so that's why that thing over there says something about a crayon or something. I don't know. I'm gonna put a link here saying that was really high, cause I am. Anyway. Oh my god. I have no idea how long this is. Oh my god, this is 2 minutes and 24, 5, 7, 8.
Yeah.
9.
Are you counting?
Yeah.
Why?
Counting.
All these questions are wrong.
Oh, insane composting. Shut up.
It took me a while. The second
I have a bear claw.
I'm just clicking them all.
I can do that weird thing too. It's like this.
Let to go derriere.
What?
That one is so awesome.
Why is this? What is he doing to that guy?
Apparently it's on here. Oh, and pink one.
Up to 35%.
Hey, pink.
Right, bitch. I'm in French class. Again.
What are we talking about? Further than that.
I have a chain. I'm my claw.
I'm gonna put stickers on my face.
I have like a little fan thing.
You want a sticker? A special kid sticker?
Oh,
It says hello, my name is Lexi.
And I look like Justin Bieber. Oh yeah. Peace
Look at
out.
that. It's like, hello, my name is Sexy.
Peace? What?
So it was
Oh. Let's go like that. Oh yeah, peace.
Will you
Peace.
put it on your
So
nose?
random. No. I want to go like hearts. But I can't do
What is it?
What?
Yes, I finished with a total of 32%.
Oh my god, Mark.
Okay, good.
I'm single. Oh my god. Singleness is terrible. Singleness! Ah! Anyway.
It's a star.
Reese's Pieces, bitches.
They're so good.
Chocolate monkeys, bitch.
Actually, I didn't want to laugh.
Hey, a bus.
Oh my god. Anyway, I'm gonna put a bunch of links in the crotch bar just by randomness. They're gonna be like, yeah, that's what I call it. It's like, anyway. Peace out, motherfuckers. I'm in math class. No, I'm in French class. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I think I said it a few times. Chewing gum that Anthony gave me. Anthony is my guy friend. He's awesome.
Guy friend.
He looks exactly like me, except he has like short bangs, so it looks like.
There. I'm
But
beautiful.
I like my bangs. I like my bangs a lot.
We're beautiful. Do you want a sticker too?
Oh my god, yes, I want a sticker. Oh my god,
You
yeah.
can have
Dude.
a diamond
Get a second, dude.
Here you go.
Oh my god. Dude.
We're
We're
stickers.
putting stickers on our noses! Okay, that's it. I'm gonna put a link for stickers in the bio. Oh yeah.
Show her
Okay.
your sticker.
I'm gonna put a bunch of like random little bubbles all around here saying random stuff. Oh my god, I feel so happy today. This is so weird.
I think you're a little overly hyper.
Nope. Oh my god. Not quite.
Oh, hyper.
Anyway, I think we figured out how to end this. Because it's been like 5 minutes and 42 seconds. I want to end it like me going like. I won't do that.
No, quick, do it.
Oh, dude, I won't do it. Mr. What's his face is standing there going. So, yeah.
Would you let me dye your hair? Would you let me give you
Love you
an
bitches.
amazing, beautiful?